If you're trying to enable TikTok Shop on your device but you're not sure where to find the option, here's exactly what you need to do. First of all, open the TikTok app, then tap on your profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Now, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner and then go into Settings and Privacy. From here, tap on Account and then select TikTok Shop for Sellers if the option is available to you. If you don't see it, make sure your app is updated to the latest version by going to the App Store and checking for updates. Also, TikTok Shop is not available in all regions, so if it's not showing up, it could be because it hasn't launched in your country yet. Additionally, TikTok sometimes restricts certain features based on your account's birth date. If you're not seeing the option and you're sure you're in a supported country, it might be due to age restrictions. In that case, you can report the issue through TikTok's support. Now, if you do see TikTok Shop for Sellers, just follow the on screen instructions. It might ask you to verify your identity or provide additional information depending on your location. And that's all it takes to enable TikTok Shop on your device. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.